Hello viewers, welcome to back our channel Crochet Lovers. So friends, how are you? I hope all you happy. May Almighty keep you all happy and keep you homes inhabited, and may you continue to enjoy my videos like this. So friends, today will I share with you the very beautiful designs. Be sure for starting the video, I request all of you subscribe my channel first, and also make sure to follow, press the bell icon. You can see very beautiful and amazing design show to your people in it. All the designs that I am sharing with the today new designs brought to you by channel in the first time. You can also buy to the market about such designs. You can get my ideas from my videos. So friends, this video is very helpful and useful for guys, so I keep similar designs with my dear friends daily, inshallah. Be sure to let us know in the comment box how can you like our videos. Is you can want to watch any videos related to visit my channel Crochet Lovers, and if you guys want to, you can take a screenshot from my videos and show it to someone else, and you can make a similar designs. Is very popular in the country and girls love such clothes. So friends, today video is amazing. Every video is a lovely design for you guys. Don't miss any video of my channel. So friends, today in this video I will share with you different designs. We will keep sharing with you in all kind of fashion related designs. Let's go, inshallah. We will meet again in the next video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. I am very grateful to the people who have subscribed to my channel. Stay with me. Take care. Remember prayer and me.